Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Ay, of course I'm the title level so Mr. Post. Lo inga ta ke yung linka na Dr. Joe Sherman, and then from there ta ke la mapele the boss, and then emakumu ke hetela yeni see. Guys, mina hlamala kahle kahle ushona mfuke 5 don't shona shilish. Okusheshe e7 ka the same thing a problem with a continuous shishwa. So as you can see kwala nkari it's 0708 sekuthi 8 that December ngoba mshitoka master talk edit unchum. So if you search of course ku South Africa iTunes top albums. Then ufika click on izuma vele leswi lokuzumela maswona kwalana, then awusitsariwini la leswi South African iTunes top albums as you can see. Leswi nga fana xi ni hlamarisa laha uku ni fikini kuma ku dokodela se yisukini la. As you can see, say na -1. -1 it means you lose a position yin'we. The negative swi va ku swi vonetela kwalaho swi vula leyi na ni the position equal sign it means munhu i va kha remain ka the same position and stuff like that. So hi dokodela mi hlamarini guys Kasongo de ha ri ka number 1. Guys leswi nga ku humele swi ku hlamariseni kona let's just be honest look hlamariseni leswi Mr. Post de ha ri ka number 1. So swi vula yini Master T, this basically means chance your Dr. Joe Sherman ya ka number 1 yi very very low considering the fact ku na album la as you can say yi nga na nyula se yi nga ka number 2. So most likely yona yi nga fika ku yi teka position number 1 or yin'wana yi nga tata ya nyu yi nga ta fika yi teka position number 1. So I don't think dokodela yi nga ha vuya mina ka number 1 at this point. Na loko ri yo vuya yi nge vuya sweswo mi kuma ku munhu a fika a tshama 1 hour tlhanyamala, but for now Lembo Poison just accept defeat dim bin ka iTunes mi nge hi lungi la a hi swo sweswo. So nga vula tano ku congratulations to so Mr. Post a dibini ko hi swo sweswo a ka hana swin'wana. I'll check into some fast just go to the Ranjan a little bit quick. Bambara 6.9 as you can see, Tolam Savas 28,000. So you know the top track as you can see, Kuala Bando 22 and stuff like that as you can see. Kuala they don't want to match at the 15. We don't know. I'm sure we decide then defense we in Tragi Batsang and stuff like that. So you know, Ingoli then Tolam Sava Dr. Joe Sherman. It's a great track, it's a very good track. And then of course Mr. Post just to check laga show bla as you can see it's at 36 Maputo, even the Novia as you can see. The project is great. It's great as you can see. You look there. The views they look lovely, and as you can see, many track like like even before you calculate we can see Mr. Post is doing well online. Like but we look streaming. I show on this track like guys, track this one. I like this track also. I also like the track. Yeah, but the Ranga Mr. Post, of course, it's Marilla 36 months, Maputu 35. Why now Maputu drug karatin? So number 1 release for now. Niko na iti wala shinda ku iti wango track iko ako meti clip to talango. Elesho. Mapelo ngo na switoko idizonda ngo singo Mr. Post reason iko kwa ka channel sho I'll subscribe and subscribe we have a lot of videos here. That's why ndiko mo come check the album lenga I posta la kahle akuri ya Dr. Joe Sherman. Mara ikhala ka swihumela guys, like even in terms of promotion also nga dinga tsalwa ke vele so problem ko swi yena lafisa ku swona vele. So however ku ve na a surprise because hi ti 7 December no fana hlamala fika tsala this post mapela I did not see this coming hi fike hi vona fika tsala ku congratulations eka tintlambi hinkwato ti nga hi phamela music wa festive. A special congratulations eka Mr Post ku fikelela position number 1 ka iTunes. I think that's a great achievement. Also position 2 yeah brother Dr Joe of course he excellent. Loko hi veka competition tlhela and unfortunately we can't because ti lo panana hi toxe which is sad for some fans like myself leswi nga fika tsala swona kwalani mapele so hayi ta ku vuleni guys a surprising twist if you get one mapele Africa congratulate Hosingo Mr Post loyi la hi nga swi vona throughout 2023 na ri ku zone then swinene na mariti ya yena so I'm shocked ku lula ntiyiso. I'm very shocked but they also continue and wrote ko tingoma ta December na titwa mara ntiyiso wa chocha hit and say it I don't know i ra ku na hit so you can with the project loku listening hinkwenu a hi yingiseleni you can decide if hit yi kona or ayi kona and then yeah we can take it from there. Then wrote with hit amatlangwana and stuff like that even for Michael Jackson of course at times avafamba malembe nga ri na yena hit and stuff like that. Yeah, okay. Ito swi even then of course ke hi tlhela ka Hennessy guys Hennessy xi lo karhatini a xi lo karhatini guys xi lo karhatini I didn't see this coming no for nhlamalo yi recommend-iwa ni kuma ku guys Hennessy xi le ka 3.1 million views in just 3 months. Swi tshame swi humelela nje as you can see Hennessy xi le ka 3.1 million views so hi nga vula tani congratulations to him. So clearly guys a hina vatsonga ntsena hi nga ku streaming this track so I think i timhaka to this track yi fike yi breaka hi market yi breake hi national market this track leswi nga fa swi humelela yi streamiwa hi tinxaka hinkwato mavona mhaka leyi so hi nga vula tani congratulations to him i tirhini swinene and ririmi ra hina of course va kha ri ndlandlamuka just like that and then tsakisa even the lady ambale xibelani which means va loko hi representeni hala ka vatsonga so Hennessy is very smart also in terms of that va hi like hi xitsonga hi lexi all over va ta swi tiva ku tekateka munhu ya wena so swi kahle hi leswi loko ku ri amukeza subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tlika subscribe ni ta kombela mi ni chekela King S edits if a ha ri sharp ku hey
va tirhi hehe va le ka number 1 va le ka number 2 va byela ku ri mi le ka nambara yeleyo hi mhaka ku ri mi release tolo album ya n'we va ku nenge na voko sweswi hi na vona and within 24 hours mi ta swi vona
sweswiya swa malembe sweswiya a ku cincangi nchumu ta ha ri ku fayeteleni hosi ngome and ta ha to fire sweswi swi vitana ku nozola a di va nozolini mara laha ka leswiya swo vevisi na timfene se u katsa na hina kwalaho se u katsa na hina vakhalanga se wa hi yevula ke